Imagine waking up one morning feeling light, calm, and full of energy again. Imagine walking without pain, smiling without stress, and feeling alive the way you did many years ago. What if I told you you can feel young again? Not by magic, not by medicine, but by following a few simple, healthy habits. Habits the people of Japan live by every single day. Japan is one of the healthiest countries in the world. People there live longer than almost anywhere else. Many live well into their 90s and even 100s, still walking, cooking, and smiling. And they don't just live long, they live well. Today, I will share with you 5 Japanese habits that scientists have studied. Habits that keep people young, healthy, and happy. Each one is simple. Each one is proven. And together they can help you say, "Goodbye, old age. Hello to a younger you." Let's begin with the first habit. The way Japanese people eat. In Japan, food is not just fuel, it is a form of care. Their traditional diet is called Washoku, which means harmony of food. This diet is built on rice, vegetables, fish, soy, fruits, and green tea. You won't see large steaks or sugary drinks on a Japanese table. Instead, you'll see small bowls filled with colorful, fresh, light foods. Scientists from Observatoire Prevention found that people who follow this traditional Japanese diet have lower risks of heart disease, cancer, and obesity. Why? Because their food is naturally low in fat and sugar and high in nutrients that protect the body from aging. For example, fish gives them omega-3 fats that keep the heart strong. Vegetables and seaweed give antioxidants that protect cells from damage. And soy foods like tofu or miso help balance hormones and reduce cholesterol. Japanese people also drink green tea several times a day, usually without sugar. Studies from Japan's National Cancer Center show that people who drink 2 or more cups of green tea daily live longer and have fewer heart problems. Green tea helps reduce inflammation, supports memory, and keeps the skin youthful. So, dear friends, remember, eat more colors, smaller portions, and drink green tea instead of sweet drinks. Your body will thank you with more energy, less pain, and a younger heart. Now, let's move to the second habit. And this one is truly special. It's called Hara Hachi Bu, a beautiful phrase from Okinawa, an island where many of the world's oldest people live. Hara Hachi Bu means stop eating when you are 80% full. You see, most people eat until their stomach feels heavy, but Okinawan elders stop a little early. They don't diet. They don't count calories. They simply stop when they feel almost full, comfortable but not stuffed. According to research from Blue Zones, this small habit helps Okinawan people eat about 15% fewer calories every day. And this makes a big difference. Eating less helps control blood sugar, keeps body weight stable, and slows down aging in cells. Scientists even say this habit turns on certain longevity genes that help the body repair itself. So next time you eat, try to listen to your body. Eat slowly. Put down your spoon after a few bites. Ask yourself, am I satisfied? If the answer is yes, stop there. This one habit can help you feel lighter, move easier, and live longer. And remember, Hara Hachi Bu is not about restriction. It's about respecting your body. When you give your body just what it needs, not more, it rewards you with balance, energy, and youth. Now, let's talk about the third secret: movement. In Japan, movement is part of daily life, not something done only in the gym. Older men and women there walk everywhere, to the market, to meet friends, even to small parks to do stretching exercises every morning. They have a special morning routine called Ragyo Taiso, a series of gentle movements that everyone can do. People of all ages participate, from schoolchildren to seniors. They stretch, twist, and move their arms in rhythm. It's a joyful, social way to stay active. Scientists writing in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that seniors in Japan who move at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, have half the risk of dying from heart disease compared to those who are inactive. You don't need to do intense exercise. Start small. A short 15 to 20 minute walk after meals, light gardening, or slow stretching before bed. Even cleaning the house or walking to the store counts. Movement keeps your joints flexible, your muscles strong, and your brain alert. It helps your digestion, improves mood, and makes you sleep better at night. Most importantly, it reminds your body that it is still alive, capable and strong, so move gently every day. Not to get tired, but to stay young. Now, the fourth Japanese habit is something deeply peaceful: onsen bathing or soaking in warm hot springs. Japan has thousands of natural hot springs where people go to relax, heal, and refresh. It's not just about washing the body. It's about restoring the soul. Research from PubMed shows that soaking in warm, mineral-rich water helps lower blood pressure, improves circulation, and relaxes tense muscles. It also reduces stress hormones, supports better sleep, and even strengthens the immune system. Warm water opens your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen to reach every part of your body. It soothes sore joints, calms the heart, and helps you breathe easier. You don't need a hot spring to enjoy this. A warm bath at home can have the same effect. Add Epsom salt or a little herbal oil, close your eyes, and breathe slowly. Let your mind rest. When your body feels peace, healing begins naturally. Many Japanese seniors take baths every evening. It helps them unwind and sleep deeply. It's their quiet time, a small daily gift to themselves. You can make it yours, too. And now, we come to the fifth and final Japanese secret, and maybe the most powerful one of all: connection. In Okinawa, there is a tradition called moai. A moai is a small group of friends, people who promise to stay connected and support one another for life. They meet often to share food, talk, laugh, and check on each other's well-being. It's like a small family you choose. Scientists who studied these groups found that strong social connections can help people live up to 8 years longer. Why? Because friendship protects the mind and heart. It reduces loneliness, lowers blood pressure, and releases a hormone called oxytocin, which makes you feel calm and loved. People who stay socially active are less likely to suffer from depression or memory loss. Even small things, a call to a friend, a smile to your neighbor, sharing tea with someone, can improve your health. So make your own moai. Stay close to people who lift your spirit. Meet for tea, walk together, laugh often, and never stop learning from one another. Remember, human connection is medicine. Free, simple, and powerful. Now let's take a deep breath and look back at what we've learned. The Japanese secret to a long, healthy life is not one big thing. It's 5 small things done with love and balance. Eat simple, colorful, natural foods. Stop eating when you are 80% full. Move your body every day in gentle ways. Relax your mind with warm baths and peace. And keep close to people who make you smile. These habits are all backed by science, but more importantly, they make life more joyful and meaningful. When you live this way, you don't just grow older, you grow younger inside. Your body heals faster. Your mind feels lighter. Your heart feels more grateful. Remember, my friends, it's never too late to begin. You can start today. One meal, one walk, one conversation, one moment of peace. Each step you take brings you closer to a younger, stronger, calmer version of yourself. So, let's promise together. We will eat mindfully. We will move a little every day. We will rest our minds and take care of our hearts. And we will stay close to the people who bring us joy. Age is not a number. It's a feeling. You can be 70, 80, or 90 and still feel young, alive, and full of love. So, today, smile, take a deep breath, and say it with me. Goodbye, old age, and hello to a younger you.